Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog, and today I'm going to be reviewing the latest from Allure Beauty Box. Let's see what first I have here is a sample size of the Symbiosis Tightening and Resplendent Eye Mask. Ooh, there we go. Isn't that nice? What does this do? Even though it's called an eye mask, this lotion is light enough to wear daily under sunscreen and your favorite shades. It is packed with hydrating, nourishing ingredients like avocado oil, shea butter, and hyaluronic acid to plump fine lines around the eyes and generally pamper the delicate area. Ooh. So for the price for the full size, which is 0.50 ounces, $93. Did I read that right? $93 for 0.50 ounces. Wow, that's quite a bit. Now I'm fascinated by it. I have to see what magic this oil, this serum has, excuse me, oil. So it comes with this little, I call it syringe-like thing. And obviously I'm not gonna use a lot of it because, well, you really don't need to use a lot under the eyes. You don't wanna weigh down that skin area. It's very delicate. It doesn't really have a scent, but I'm just gonna put it right, just tapping ever so lightly under the eyes, because this stuff is guaranteeing, I don't know what it's guaranteeing for $93 or 90 something dollars, but I'm gonna put it under here and the sides here and the outside there. Sometimes if I have enough, I'll put it right here under the eyebrows. Some people just go around the entire eye socket when they put on serums. I don't know about that, but to each his or her own. Okay, it goes on nicely. I do feel a weight to it though, even though I only put a little bit. I'm supposing it's because from the enriching emollients like avocado oil and the hyaluronic acid, it may, do you see anything happening, anything magical? Let me know in the comments below if you see anything magical happening around the area around the eyes. It's a very delicate area. The next thing I have here is from Beri. Beri Aqua Bomb Hydrating Body Moisturizer. Now it says body moisturizer, but this couldn't possibly be full size, right? The full size is $30 at 10.13 ounces. This is only 1.01 fluid ounce. So this is definitely a sample, but it's a nice sample, like a deluxe sample, which is nice. But it could be smaller than this box, so let's see what's inside. What does this do? This lotion doesn't make skin greasy or slippery in the slightest, which is perfect because who wants to feel like they could go down a slip and slide in the morning? It's lightweight and absorbs super quickly, so you don't have to wait for several minutes between application and getting dressed. Okay, that's nice. Plus, it works consistently well, hydrating with hyaluronic acid and smoothing with niacinamide. So you use on your arms, legs, shoulders, you name it. Wherever you want skin that's radiant, never dull or ashy, this is the ticket, a perfect accompaniment to all your summer tops and dresses. So again, it's $30 US for 10.13 ounces. So that's a pretty decent size, and it looks like it comes with a pump. So it's a true, size, I guess, for when you're doing skin, all over skin. That's what it looks like. This is the sample size. And this is something you just throw in your bag, which I'm planning to do, because even though it's not officially summer yet here, it's been feeling like summer for the past few weeks. Let's see if it has a scent. It goes on kind of, this typical lotiony kind of thing. I never believe had a certain scent, like their eye cream. It does have a little bit of a scent, so if you're not into any kind of fragrances at all, this is not for you. But I like the scent. It almost smells like a water citrus scent, if that makes sense. But yeah, Absorbs to the skin rather easily. I don't have a problem with it. Yeah, this I'm definitely, and it has a cooling effect. It hasn't even been in the fridge and I just opened it and I got like an immediate, once it made contact with the skin, the cooling effect that I like. Perfect for the summer weather. All right, so let's see. So far, so good. Oh, this is cute. It's something pinkish. Could I dare dream that it's a palette, perhaps, like an eye palette or a skin palette? Not a skin palette, like a blusher, contour. That would be like an all-around, multi-use, cute, small. You know, it's not overbearing with the packaging. Let's see. This is Ciate's Everyday Vacay. And for some reason I hear something kind of moving in there. Do you hear that? I hope that's not, I hope it's not anything that's gonna make me cry. Oh, but the packaging is beautiful. It's in there, whatever it is. Oh, maybe just this. Let's see if it's, yeah, it was this. This is so, so cute. It has a mirror, which is great. And then I'm gonna show you, oh, this is absolutely adorable. I love the color scheme. So what does this say? Okay, it says it's summer, it's everyday vacay. I don't know why, but it kind of reminds me, even though it's made of plastic, Benefit is more about like paper. But this kind of reminds me of Benefit, the way it's set up like that. I put all the instructions, I mean, not the instructions, the information on the palette. This looks like it has like a highlighter, and you could use these as a contour as well as, you know, to do up your eyes. This looks like the eye palette, more of an eye palette, but it's like a neutral one as well as a more colorful, fun one. And these look like highlighters, and these look like, oh, maybe these are the contours. But oh my goodness, and it's so cute. And it comes as, and it's already summer, and it sings to me, has a big mirror. Everyday vacay. This is definitely screaming, take me with you, pack me in your overnight or weekend bag, and let's go to the beach. That I really thought was cute. I really like that one. I wonder how much it goes for. Let's just check here and see. This is $30 US, and you can go to the Ciate London website to look more, but it says here that whether you're going for a casual, cool makeup or beachy rose gold glam, you will have a ton of fun playing with this 12-pan collection of eyeshadows, bronzers, blushes, and highlighters. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. The shadows in chocolatey browns and shimmering pinks are versatile, creamy, and can even moonlight as eyeliner. Very, very cute. I like it a lot. And it has cute names like Daiquiri Kiss, Offline, Deep Dive, Pina Colada, Miami Beach. It's just screaming some point themed box for the beginning of summer. Oh, something from Sephora. Do you see that? Yeah. This is Sephora's Collection Smooth and Blur Primer. Gotta love primers. A hydrating primer that goes above and beyond. This silky vitamin E infused formula has a supernatural way of blurring skin like a soft focus filler on Instagram. It immediately makes complexions look so smooth and even, hiding redness with a sheer subtle tan tint. I don't know. Would that work on my you know, beyond pale skin? You may just hesitate to add foundation on top. Ooh. It's for 1.01 ounces. It's $16 US. Okay, so this is one of the more like reasonably priced ones. But this that I got is a sample size, 5 ml, 0.16 fluid ounce. And it's interesting, I never would have expected to see Sephora. Like, and this is how it looks. It's definitely a sample size. Here's how it looks right there. It does have a tan look to it. I'm blending it. So you see, oh, it gives like a nice little touch of color. Does it have a scent? I think it does have a slight scent, but it's not offending to me. I think you take a chance with this if you're someone that doesn't like any fragrances or scents. I think this is very, 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 very light. It's not flowery or cakey smelling. It doesn't smell sweet. This is from Butinique Beauty Rain Drench Serum. What? Why you love it. This serum is whisper light, so it feels refreshing and not suffocating on warm days. It douses the skin in hydrating hyaluronic acid, an overachieving niacinamide, an antioxidant that improves overall skin texture, minimizes pores, soothes complexions, and may offer protection, may, M-A-Y, offer protection from UV damage. Please use sunscreen as well, it says. So, this goes for $24 for 1 ounce. And this is the 1 ounce, so it's full size. $24 US. Cute packaging, you know, with a pale pink, pale blue type of color setup, maybe even green. This is what it looks like. It looks rather, it looks like it has some substance to it, that it is liquid. I always shake, just because it comes in this drop. It feels slightly viscous maybe. I'm gonna put this on this side and see what happens. Ooh, it has a slightly gooey but cooling sensation that it gives me. And that's it right there. It does run, but it feels heavier than water. It has almost like a gel-like consistency. Doesn't have a scent, which is nice. Is this lovely little thing, and this is from Allure Beauty Lippy Love Lip Scrub. Say that 3 times fast. So here's how it looks. Very interesting. And that, my friends, is what's up for my latest June 2022 box from Allure Beauty Box. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below what intrigued you, what caught your eye. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button. And even better, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest Allure unboxing. And if you're an Allure subscriber, also let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you on my next video adventure. Take care, stay safe. Bye.